Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the Revolut Junior app. Revolut Junior is a financial app designed for children and teenagers to learn about money, management and responsibility. As a parent or guardian, you will need to set up the app on behalf of your child. First, download the Revolut Junior app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it and sign in with your existing Revolut account credentials. If you do not have a Revolut account, you will need to create one. After signing in, you will be prompted to create a Revolut Junior account for your child. You will need to provide some basic information about your child, including their name and date of birth. You will also need to verify your identity and confirm that you are the parent or guardian of the child. Once the account is set up, you can add money to your child's account. This can be done through a bank transfer or by using a debit or credit card. You can also set up a regular allowance to be paid into your child's account. The Revolut Junior app allows you to set limits and controls on your child's spending. You can set daily spending limits, restrict certain types of transactions, and receive notifications when your child makes a purchase. You can also use the app to teach your child about budgeting and saving by setting financial goals and tracking their progress. As a parent or guardian, you will have full visibility and control over your child's account. You can view their transaction history, check their balance, and make changes to their account settings as needed. The Revolut Junior app is a great way to teach your child about money management and responsibility, and to help them develop good financial habits from a young age. In conclusion, setting up the Revolut Junior app is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you can help your child learn about money management and responsibility, and set them up for a strong financial future.